All right. Got the 2.5-inch drone, doing a drone tour today in Andover near the Andover Country Club. Thanks. Get my visual observer opening the door, bringing the drone to its launch point. Battery's at 25.5. This battery is an LIHV, so it has a little bit more capacity than a normal LiPo, so that's nice. That's what really helps with those 10-minute flight times. All right, so we're out front. That's my car right there. Little Honda CRZ, dude, I love that thing. I don't know whose Mercedes this is. It's a pretty foggy day, but it looks kind of cool. Come into the front yard. Colleen's ready to open the door. Open the door! In through the front door, as I do. Show off this little living room area right here. We have a room over on the side, and I'm actually not gonna show it. You'll see it when I'm passing like this, that room right there. We decided on not flying in there. So now I'll come back through the foyer where I entered. And we have a little room over here on the left-hand side. You get a little glimpse of my drone in the mirror there. A little Easter egg. Show this room, we got the fireplace on. Nice and slow. And now we'll cut back through. You can see the kitchen over on the side there. We're gonna hit that right after this dining room. Gonna go right here. Kind of pause for a second. And we'll loop around. I don't wanna go directly over the table because I don't wanna blow all this stuff around. And now I'll cut through here. And now this is the kitchen. There's a bathroom on the right-hand side. This is the kitchen and the little dining area. So I'll slowly turn to show that. Keep it nice and fluid. We'll go over this table. And now we have a living room kind of deal up here. These big houses are perfect for this. Nice open concept, kind of. Pause so you can see it. See how it connects to the kitchen over there. I won't go over these flowers. So now I'm gonna go upstairs this way, and there is a chandelier that I wanna show, but I'll hit that on my way back. This bathroom. This drone is pretty stable in tight spaces, unlike my other one, so I can go in tighter spots with it. Obviously it bobbles a little, but nothing like my Synolog. I think it's because this one's heavier. So now we're starting to hit the bedrooms. This one has a mural on the wall too. We got some tigers, got a leopard up there or something. We have a laundry unit across the way there. I'm not gonna show that because it's a smaller room. And then we got this room. Not staged at all, so there's that. And then we have one room across from this before we hit the master. So this is how I'm gonna hit the chandelier. So after this, you see this room, you're gonna go straight across, go slow so you can see the bathroom on the side. And now the chandelier is right there. So this is the entrance where I came in. And to show the chandelier, I'm actually just gonna have the drone go out like this. Can't film that with a DSLR, can ya? Now this is the master bedroom, and this is where I'm gonna end it. So I'll go back to just kind of show this room a little bit. There's nothing really to show in here because it's not staged, but we have the master bath right over on this side. So I'll cut across, nice and slow, so you can see the tub, see the shower, see the sink, double sink, and that window is the one I'm going out. Right, like that. And then we have a door open for the basement. So if I can, this is my preferred way to enter basements because sometimes going downstairs is tough. So it's a lot easier to just do this if you can. Now I'm hiding at the top of those stairs. That's where the garage is. So it's kind of central in the house. So I have good reception throughout the entire house. This area is a little dark, so I'm not gonna fly all the way down at that pool table. I'm kind of just gonna go down to this point, pause, and then rotate, and we'll go back. Go through these arches. There's nothing behind this. It's just a utility closet. And I'm at the top of those stairs right there. And now we're back to this area. Now behind this, there's just a bathroom, so there's also nothing really back there. And we have a room over on this side that's completely empty. And this has white walls, and it's kind of like, when you're flying in a room like this, there's really not a lot to judge the distance off of. It can be difficult to fly in, just because the walls are so white. Now I'll jet out the door, into the backyard, go up above this, through these stairs, we'll show off the 3-car garage. And now we're in the front. Clean. And just kind of pause for a second and just kind of hold it there, because right now in the video there's going to be text. Could you open this door, Colleen? So that was, how long was that? We got 6 minutes and 58 seconds. So basically 7 minutes and we still have a little bit of juice left. These batteries, I love these batteries. These are this was the 1100 6S GNBs. They're technically not LiPos, they're LIHV, so they have a little bit more capacity than the other batteries, but these are my go-to. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Whatever, dude.